So I think it's time we finally give the Integra a true car wash, and let's actually see how bad the paint is and what we can buff out, what we need to repaint, and let's actually get a detailed look of the Integra cleaned up inside and out. And I'm really hoping this helps with the scent on the inside. It definitely smells like a 90s car, and I hope this helps with that and gets that out so we can get it smelling fresh and new again. But before we get into the car wash itself, I did get two parts, I guess I could call it, for the car, two modifications that I ordered from eBay, and let's unbox it and let's actually take a look and let's see what we got in from the good people over at eBay. And hopefully it's the correct part, because this is the first time me ever ordering anything off of eBay, and I'm super excited. Let's go. Okay, wow, really good packaging. Okay, here we go. So right here, if you guys can't tell right now, this is the driver's side fender. That fender that's all messed up. I got a new one. We're just gonna get a replacement for it. Right here we have Integra 94-01. Right here, driver's side fender. So right here, I'm gonna take this out of the box and we're gonna take a look at it and let's see how it actually looks. Ooh, okay, okay. Let me see, is this the imperfection on here? Oh no, I think that's just some glue. But right here, we got the driver's side fender. Looking beautiful. So right here, as you guys can see, this is my current condition of my driver's side fender. You can see there's dings, there's dents, paint marking, and this bad patchwork. So right here, this is where this boy comes right in. Boom. Look at it. Okay, it's looking better already. Let's go. All right, so next up, probably my favorite part that I ordered, something that I've always wanted to have on a car, especially an Integra, something that I dreamed about. Once I bought the Integra, I was like, I knew I had to put this onto the car. Some people in the comment section said don't worry about it, but I was like, I think I'm gonna worry about it because this is just something I've always wanted to add and something I like the look of personally. Now, it's not a necessity, but it definitely is a cool feature to have. And ooh, it looks so cool. Oh my God, I haven't even seen it, but it just looks so cool just because I know what it is. And right here, we do have that Type R inspired spoiler wing for the Integra. Now, obviously, this is not an OEM one. They were really expensive. I had to go with a aftermarket one, but you know, that's just how the cookie crumbles. So it's gonna give me that same look, but for a quarter of the price, or maybe even a fifth of the price, because I think I paid $100 for this, and OEM ones were going for like $500. And ooh, look at it, look at it. Oh my God, it looks so sick. Let me go to the back of the car and let's see how it's gonna actually mock up to look. So this is kind of the placement of where I would put it. I don't want this to fall, but look at it. Ooh, obviously, I'm going to take that bottom spoiler off, but yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is going to look sick. Oh my God, I'm so happy about it. But enough of the unboxing. Let's actually get to the actual meat and potatoes of this video, which is washing the car. And let's actually get a good look on how the paint looks. So in this car washing kit that I just picked up from AutoZone, we do have a wash mitt right here, some microfiber towels, a microfiber sponge. We got the Diablo wheel cleaner. We got the tire shine and the honeydew wash kit right here. Oh, and we got some stickers. All right, y'all, so here we have the first look after, not a professional wash, the best I can possibly do, but here's how the paint is looking. And honestly, it's looking a little bit worse than what I initially thought. I thought some of these panels would wash out a lot better than they actually did. Now it does look a whole lot better, but I'm not sure if the detailer will be able to buff some of these, hard oxidation marks, these scratches, these scuffs, these paint fading. I know paint fadings really needs to be resprayed, but I was hoping that maybe the detailer might be able to buff some of this stuff out and get it back maybe 70% good. But looking around the car, there's a lot of scuffs, a lot of marks all around the car, and some of the fading is a lot worse than what I thought. Like on the hood, when I initially saw it, I thought it was a lot less, but as you guys can see, the hood is looking kind of gray, similar to how the roof is looking right there. Now the side panels, they do have a shine to them. Definitely think those could be buffed out, but there's a lot of dings and dents in them, so the best option might be to take it to the body shop and get the whole car resprayed, maybe even a whole wrap. Maybe that might be better. Right now, it is what it is. I'm going to take it to the detailer maybe in a week or two. He's going to do some test areas, some test spots, and he's going to let me know what he can do to the car. Maybe we do a half and half job where we detail where the parts we can detail, and then we paint the certain parts that need to be painted. As of right now, I think the parts that are going to need to be painted are the bumper, possibly the hood, the roof, and the trunk. Maybe we can save everything else. Oh, and we're gonna obviously have to paint the new driver panel right here, this front panel right here. We're gonna have to paint that because that's not a true black. If that's cheaper, maybe we go that route. Maybe we go a half and half. Right now, we're trying to do this on a budget the best way we possibly can, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. The more and more I'm looking at it, it's getting a little bit better, but I do think the wash was needed and definitely does help it out. Now, let's clean these wheels and let's see how good we can get these guys looking. So here are the wheels after, or the rims after. They came out super clean. Now, can they use a touch-up? Obviously right here, maybe a repaint on the wheels right here. But right now, they're looking clean and I like them. All right, so the inside is pretty clean. I'm not gonna really mess with that right now. It definitely does need a light vacuum, but I don't really see too many like stains. I will do a deep cleaning of the carpets and all the seats when I get the car detailed, or if I get the car detailed, I guess I can say. But I do wanna help with that odor. I want to try to get that out. So Buddy said to take the top off of here, get this damp towel, put this in the back where this little plastic part is, put this down in the middle. He says start the car on. Okay, so I got the car started. He said put the AC on with the circulation. He said to push down on the can so it gets stuck, and then he said to leave. So that's what I'm gonna do. And he said that should take about 10 to 15 minutes and that should help with the scent. So let's see if that actually works. All right, y'all, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes after I had put that thing in the back of the car to help with the odor. And let's see the first scent. Ooh, it smells like citrus. Okay. Am I getting the 90s car smell anymore? I'm not sure. I think it might have worked, y'all. I'm not getting that 90s smell. It's smelling good. It's smelling like citrus, lemon, lime in there. I think it actually worked. So being that I was able to wash the car and it came out pretty good, and the fact that I was able to get that 90s car smell out the car, you guys already know there's only one way to celebrate: the celebratory driving around the neighborhood. So let's get it. I don't have a license plate on it, so I can't drive too far, but I can drive around the neighborhood. And every time we do one of these fixes or anything to the car, we're gonna drive it around the neighborhood just to celebrate. So let's get it. And listen, y'all might be like, why is he celebrating just washing his car and getting the smell better? Listen, we gotta celebrate the small victories. Every small victory, 1% better is getting better till we get this to 100% my dream car. So we got 1% better by washing it, cleaning the inside. It smells glorious in here. So listen, that's why we're gonna celebrate it. We're gonna celebrate it by driving around the neighborhood. Because like I said, right now I'm kind of limited. No license plate But listen, we're gonna take all the small victories and we're gonna be happy about them. Right here, we just got 1% better. So I'm super excited about it. So listen, we're cruising right now and it feels great. It smells great, and listen, it looks great. Come on, stop playing with your boy. I'm so happy, and I'm just super excited and super proud of myself that, you know, I'm handling all of this stuff on my own. I'm doing it. I'm doing the cleaning. I'm doing the testing. I'm doing the fixing, and I just cannot wait to see where this channel grows to. And I want to say I appreciate everybody that's been showing love. Everybody's been dropping comments. I really do truly appreciate you guys. Thank you. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button to follow the journey, because we are going to be building this car, and this is just going to be the first car on the channel. Once we get used to this car, and once we get, you know, how we learn how to build this one, then we build another one. Hopefully we build a Skyline one day, a Supra, maybe a Corvette. I don't know what we're going to build on this channel. I just want to have a cool car community where we help each other, we support each other. And if you like Integras and if you like JDM, that's mainly what I'm going to be building on this channel. But I hope to go to European. I hope to go to hypercars. I hope to go to muscle cars. I hope to switch up everything. And I want to do all type of cars, and I want to learn how to build them, fix them, and make them cool, and just stack up my car collection. So this is the first of many. But basically, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's been watching the video, showing love, showing support. Make sure you guys continue to do that, because I just want the channel to continue to grow and we keep building more and more cars. And listen, I love this smooth drive around my neighborhood. It's basically a circle, but you know, you go uphill, you go downhill. I love it. It's so smooth, got the windows down. The car is smelling amazing, and I love it. It's just a smooth, cool little drive. Get the car out, get the car running, and it's a beautiful little circle. All right, guys, well, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if I don't catch you guys, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This video should be going live Christmas week. I don't know if I have a video the following week, so I might miss that week, but the first week of January, that week right there, we're gonna be doing a lot to the car. One of my best friends from Florida is coming up to help me work on the car. We're gonna be doing a refresh of the spark plugs, of belts. We're gonna be doing so many modifications with him. Videos are gonna start rolling out, and we're gonna start building this car out. So make sure you guys stay tuned so you guys can see the full transformation, and hopefully we make a lot of progress in the month of January. I think the month of January is gonna be huge for us. A lot of mods, a lot of fixes, a lot of upgrades. So make sure you guys stay tuned, stay locked in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's been your boy Tim, signing out. Peace.